We're the BMX Pros trick team.
What's up? Come down to the Miami-Dade Fair. Come watch the shows. It's the greatest time ever.
One more show.
Come here. Check us out.
Okay.
Alright, you ready? Dylan? 2 jumps. Is 2 jumps okay?
2 jumps? Yeah, awesome. So yeah, I'm sitting over here. I'm about to have a BMX bike go right over my head twice.
Miami! You guys ready for a BMX and skateboard show? Alright, at least we got some people in the crowd. We are the BMX Pros. We are coming to you out of San Diego, California. Without further ado, the 2021 BMX Pros Stunt Team. Alright, we're going to start up here on our massive vert ramp. He's 26 years old. He's from Cocoa Beach, Florida. Make some noise for Keith Baldassari. This guy's no stranger to going high, and he loves the energy of the crowd. Huge fast plant. Starting things off early. Make some noise for Keith, Miami. Alright. That breakfast to the young gun. He's 22 years old. He's from Northport, Florida. Make some noise for Dylan Carter. Huge. You have to thank you. Back to the tops. He's 24 years old. He's from Chile. Make some noise for Jose Saneno. This guy always has a smile on his face. This is the first time I've actually got to do shows with him. And he is no stranger to going big. Make some noise for Jose, everybody. Starting off with a nice hand plant. All right. So we're gonna let Keith demonstrate some lip tricks for you. Miami, make some noise for Keith. He's the lonely skateboarder out here with a bunch of BMX dudes, but he knows how to shred with that frontside Smith right there. I think he called that a DeLorean or something earlier. Straight fast plant. Going air to disaster. Foot plant to body jar. Make some noise for Keith, everybody. All right. We're gonna let these BMX riders come and get a few lip tricks in for you guys. It looks like Jose says, I'm going first. 180 bar, half cab into that landing. Here comes Dylan. Keep that noise going for Dylan Carter, everybody. These guys love the noise. So the louder you get, the crazier they will go. Dylan is the only one in the whole show who has no brakes. Jose coming in hot. 180. He was looking for that bar spin in the middle, but he'll take that look back. Miami, are you having a good time so far? Yeah! All right. 540 foot jam. Oh, pulling it. Jose's coming back. Nollie 3. Hop. Make some noise for Jose and Dylan Carter, everybody. That brings us back up to the top. Brings us back to our skateboarder. All the way from Cocoa Beach, 5 hours in a car yesterday to come skate with us. Make some noise for Keith, everybody. Huge air to disaster, going 50-50, straight into a hand plant. Oh, that rock to revert. There's another 5-0. Woo, going tail slide. Make some noise for Keith, everybody. We're gonna take it to the air. We're gonna let these guys do some warm-up tricks. Dylan says, I can't wait. Huge tuck no-hander by Dylan Carter. Make some noise for him, Miami. Huge 1-footed X up to can-can. These tricks are gonna get bigger as the night goes on. Here comes Dylan. Huge no-footed can Indian air. Jose says, I'm not finished either. Huge X up to turn down. He says, I can do that too, watch. Huge air. He's been working this ramp all day long. Going backside. been looking for that trick all night. Straight into that handstand. Keith's got one going. Make some noise for him, Miami. Oh, there it is. 5-0 to Reavers. Disaster to Smith. Miami, make some noise for Keith Valzari. Jose says, no, I'm gonna see how high I can go. We're gonna send Jose up over 12 feet. Are you ready, Miami? He's just getting warmed up. Make some noise for Jose on this massive vert ramp. He's gonna hit the 12-foot mark. Oh, there it is on that huge table. Straight into a tuck no-hander. Miami, make some noise for Jose. Huge turn down. Massive airs out of this guy right here with a big smile on his face. I need 2 brave volunteers. Leo and Matt, all right. Make some noise for Dylan, everybody. Huge backflip. Wow. You guys can slide down. Thank you so much. Make some noise for Dylan Carter, everybody, and our brave volunteers. All right, we're gonna take it right back up top to Keith. We're gonna send them off. These tricks are gonna get bigger and better as the show goes on. We got some few bangers left. Massive fast plan to Indy. Whoa, fakey 5-0 to Reaver. Make some noise for Keith, Miami. Yeah. Miami, make some noise for Keith Valzari. All right. All right, we're gonna take it back to these guys on the bikes. Here comes Jose. Make some noise for Jose, Miami. Huge 360 tuck no-hander. Here comes Dylan Carter. Huge 360 bar spin to tabletop. That was 3 tricks in one right there over 1 jump. All right, and it looks like we got Jose back there spinning around, winding up. He's getting some speed. Miami, make some noise for the Chilean. Huge 360 tail whip. Dylan says, I got one more for you. Make some noise for Dylan Carter and G-turn 540 to pass plan. We might be able to get this guy to go over the railing. Make some noise for Keith Valzari. Huge setup there. There he goes. Cranking. Nice. Huge body jar, straight into an Indy. He is on fire right now. Straight 4 slide. Miami, he's going for that fakey 540. Make some noise for Keith Valzari. Wow. We're gonna send these 2 upside down, but make sure you keep your cameras rolling to center stage right here on this massive ramp right afterwards, because these guys always have surprises at the end of the show. Miami, make some noise for your BMX pros, Dylan Carter and Jose Saldino. Jose's coming in hot. Huge, massive backflip. Dylan with that barrel roll. Keep your eyes on this massive vert ramp right here. I don't know what these guys are up to, but I know they have plans. Dylan's coming in. Huge setup there. Oh, he's got something planned for you guys. There's that hand plant, pulling it clean. Oh, he's been wanting that all day. Straight into a flare. Make some noise for Dylan Carter, Jose Sadinos, Keith Valzari. My name is Josh James. We are the BMX Pros. Thank you guys so much. You've been an awesome crowd. If you would like to take a photo with the guys and shake their hands, feel free. We love to meet everybody. Thank you, Miami. I hope you enjoyed the show.
We're the BMX Pros trick team.
What's up? Come down to the Miami-Dade Fair. Come watch the shows. It's the greatest time ever.
We have one more show.
Come here. Check us out.
Thanks, guys. It was awesome.
Final performance for the night. Here.
Okay, we're gonna be doing an awesome video showing you a POV, guys. So I'm gonna just run up here. Right. Okay. This is what it's like up here.
Sit here. Here's
Okay.
fine. There's perfect. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, you ready? Dylan? 2 jumps. Is 2 jumps okay?
2 jumps? Yeah, awesome. So yeah, I'm sitting over here about to have a BMX bike go right over my head twice. Whoa! That is awesome. Wow. Absolutely awesome. And we're going to see a POV shot from what it's like from his point of view.
That was cool.
That was awesome.
How's that?
Okay, awesome, awesome. Thanks. That was a truly awesome show. I loved it. I'm sure you must have also. Be sure to show these guys some love by smashing that like button and come along on other adventures like this and many others here on FAD 1010, the everything channel of SoFlo and beyond. Be sure to subscribe, ring the bell. I'll see you soon. Bye.